The home I grew up in was located directly on a historic brackish river. And for as long as I can remember, fishing and exploring the mysteries of the water has always just been one of my favorite things to do. The challenge I have with breaking a world record is really just with myself and discovering if I have what it takes or not to get the job done. When you've completed all the research and homework to target that trophy fish, and you finally catch it, that feeling of accomplishment is definitely worth all the hard work that went into it. My name is Schall, and I've been fishing most of my life. As a child, it was obvious to my friends and family that my passion was being on the water. At an early age, I received a canoe for my birthday one year. I used that canoe all through grade school, high school, and college. I eventually decided that it would be easier to upgrade to a kayak and began doing my research on all the different brands. I did demonstrations with each of the top brands and found Native to be my favorite. I've now owned Native kayaks for over 10 years and still have one of the first ones I ever bought.
Well, I've known Jason for a long time, and I know that fishing has been a part of his life ever since he could walk, basically. And it's just something that he enjoys. He enjoys going out and getting away from things. It's his time to celebrate, time to think, time to ponder life's questions. He really enjoys being outside and doing what he loves, which is fishing. It doesn't matter if he is catching the fish or if he never catches the fish, but everyone with him catches the fish. He just wants to see people have that thrill of feeling the tug on the line and reeling in something, some creature. It could be some prehistoric creature, it could be some little baby bait fish. It really doesn't matter to him. He enjoys catching anything and everything.
Thanks, girl. In kayak fishing, I love the authentic feel of being just a couple of inches above the water and quietly gliding across the surface. You can really launch a kayak just about anywhere. You only need a couple of inches of water in a space no bigger than a few feet wide. It offers you the ability to reach difficult fish that a lot of traditional boat anglers would be unable to. My favorite saltwater fish to catch while I'm at home would be a redfish. I can target them all year and they're beautiful, aggressive fish. I also enjoy the challenge and fun of catching new fish. I've caught over 500 different species. Each one has been a lot of fun to chase and comes with its own learning curve. I'm chasing after 100 world records in a Native kayak. What are you chasing?